Hi kids, so this is Roy Polly I found, and oh, here he goes. There he goes. And you're probably wondering why are we turning like that? Well, research did and said Roy Polly was turning circles when you feel threatened. So that's probably why. Turning circles. We know. So I can go right here. The ground's so dark because of the sun thing. I can't see him, so wait, I passed on him somewhere. There he is. Right here. So I'm just gonna back away. Maybe he won't be threatened. It isn't good. Sorry kids, but I don't see Roy Polly anywhere. There he is. You go, you guy. Hear that's the wind. Some of it is rocking our fence, so that's why you hear that thudding noise. Well, I'm sorry this wasn't the best, kids, but here he is. Well, kids, I think I'm gonna video another book or plant or something, so let's go. Here we go. Get it, baby. Boop, boop. Kids, this might be a type of weed. I'm not sure what type of weed is this, but some of you are researching what is this. And there's an even larger one right here. See, look how big it is. I have no idea what piece that is. It's about 4 feet tall and up to my chest area. That's how tall this thing is. So I have no idea what species that. Plant that is. Or weed. But I'm gonna research it, don't worry. Oh, and kids. And this is my bird feeder. Yeah. And today a squirrel came and she was using the dark spot. That's the camera. And that's all a bird see. And what is on my swing set, and then we moved it right here because nobody was coming. So we moved it right here. And a little bird came, but he didn't eat. He looked at it. And the squirrel came and boy, he ate a lot. And he is attached to a pole down here. And it's all the way up here. It's taller than I am. And that's really cool. And it is. And these are some flowers. Look at them, they're floating in the wind. That's so cool. Here's another weed-like thing. Not smaller. Oh, look, there he is. There he is, see him? There we go. And there's a pan, but today I see a pan, I just don't put it because it's really spiky. Because if I touch it, it'll hurt. It's really spiky. You just get into the themselves. Predators. More flowers. Look at the weed thing. I have no idea why are these like up here, but it's like there's like many of them. I disappeared. Oh, wait a There he is. Oh, bye-bye. Wow, there's 2 of them. Hang on. There they are. See, one right there and one right there. Whoa. Like, puppy chickens that are so cool. But that's how they make, I think. Or like males need to go tougher to win the female. The one right there, see him right there? So cool. And this is other pen that one time I saw a frog in here. Lucky, maybe you'll see a frog in here. Probably not, but you'll see a frog in here, kids. I hope you see none. Okay, kids. That's all for today. So, bye, kids. I hope you have a wonderful day. Yes, I'm Harry. Bye.